There's something universally heartwarming about baby animals. Their innocent eyes, tiny paws, and playful antics have the power to melt even the hardest of hearts. Whether found in the wild or welcomed into our homes as pets, baby animals bring boundless joy and a sense of wonder to our lives. In this video, we will explore the enchanting world of baby animals and the joys and responsibilities of having them as a pet. Baby animals come in all shapes, sizes, and species, from the fluffy charm of kittens and puppies to the wobbly steps of baby elephants and giraffes. Each species being brings its own unique appeal. Discovering the wide area of baby animals can be a truly enriching experience. The desire to care for and raise a young animal taps into our primal instinct and fosters a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Observing baby animals in their natural habits provides a rare glimpse into the circle of life, witnessing a lioness tenderly caring for her cubs, or a mother bird teaching her field wings to fly is a testament to the wonders of the animal kingdom. Baby animals remind us of the importance of preserving their habitats and ensuring their survival in the wild. Supporting conservation efforts and raising awareness about endangered species becomes even more critical when we witness the vulnerability of their young. Bringing a baby animal into your home can lead to a deep, meaningful bond, whether it's a cuddly kitten or a playful puppy. The companionship and unconditional love there often can perfectly greatly enrich your life. While baby animals are undeniably adorable, cute, they also require time, effort, love, and resources to ensure their well-being, from regularly feeding and grooming to veterinary care and training. Being a responsible pet owner is a significant commitment. Having a baby animal as a pet provides valuable opportunities for learning about animal behavior, needs, and communication. It fosters empathy and a deeper understanding of the responsibilities that come with caring for another living being. The world of beautiful baby animals is a source of endless wonder and delight, whether observed in the wild or embraced as a beloved pets. Their presence enriches our lives, teaching us valuable lessons about compassion, responsibility, and the delicate balance of nature. If you are considering welcoming a baby animal into your home, remember that with their boundless cuteness comes great responsibility. By providing love, care, and a safe environment, you can ensure that your new furry, feathery, or scaly friend thrives and brings joy to your life for years to come. I hope you like over today's video. Thank you for watching.